Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Yen pairs, we definitely have had a very strong move to the downside ever since the intervention that Japan did a few weeks ago, of actually about a month and a half ago now. Definitely looks like the end of a wave 3. 1, 2, and big wave 3. If this is the end of a wave 3, then most likely we are in a wave 4 right now, which I would expect to go down probably at least to the 50%, maybe someplace around the 150 area, make some sort of an ABC shape before we actually do end up continuing back up for the wave 5. Eventually, I do think it is going to probably continue back up for the wave 5, probably looking something like that, but you have to realize this wave 4 is probably going to take at least 6 to 8 months to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is a very strong move down. I think it's a wave A of wave 4, and I still don't even think the wave A of 4 is done yet. Most wave A's do end around the low of the previous swing, so I think that right there is a likely area for this to end. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it seems extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3. If anything, we're probably in a wave 4 right now. We'll probably have another push down for wave 5, and this is most likely all just a wave A of that bigger wave 4 correction. So taking it down even more to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it depends on what kind of trader you are, which is what I always say to people, because I am definitely not a short time frame trader at all. I personally am just going to be waiting for the correction to be over, but if you are a scalper or maybe a day trader, maybe you could get some longs out of it, because I do think there is definitely going to be another push up, probably for the wave C, but I think it is very likely going to be a wave C of wave 4, so I definitely still think the bigger, better money is going to be made waiting patiently for the shorts for the wave 5. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, most likely a wave A. I think this is very clearly 3 waves down, most likely a wave B. I would expect it to go down maybe to the 50 to 61. 61 might even be more likely, so that way it takes out that swing right there, grabs some liquidity before it actually does go up and make a wave C. Like I said, I personally am going to be patiently waiting for the end of a wave 4 to go short again for the wave 5. But if you are a short time frame trader, maybe you could go long at the end of the wave B for the wave C, exit your long at the end of a wave C, and then go short for the wave 5. As long as you pay attention to price, pay attention to structure, you should be able to stay on the right side of the market. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.